Wetin dey happen for that side for CAF Excellence Center for Bankomo for Yaoundé? All man know say before Eto'o can be president for Fecafoot, they be don abandon that CAF Excellence Center. Now African Football Confederation, they bill am. They say the person wey bill am some kind, no dey the way they be one bill am. Now the thing no be for way they be don abandon am. That way Eto'o he come like president for Fecafoot. He say no fit abandon the thing, so he too more continue for day for try for fix am, may be fine for all man, so that me player they use am, me Indomitable Lions they use am. That thing that way he do am. So newspaper wey they call as say messager, e now with tori say wetin. He talk say kama si America wonder, do you know America wonder? Minister them for Cameroon and Touareg no. Say minister for sport, he want use mago for make Touareg for say me 20 billion, he take foot, he chakara. Messager tell we say minister for sports and physical education, Mouelle Kombi, he the one move 20 billion for enter that matter for Sika say he want to say me Eto'o no control that center again. We Fecafoot already spend. USA minister for sports and physical education will take 20 billion for one occupy that CAF Excellence Center for Bankomo. Now the question that way, I dey ask am, but biti no, una no say we dey talk say ibiri mikiai go biri rambo da go kabai ekiai. Now so the thing dey. So Mr. Minister, Musa you go take 20 billion for one control that CAF Excellence Center for Yaoundé. Una go find messager na Cameroon newspaper where he come out today. He asks big question. That question where messager asks am, I hope say Minister for Sports and Physical Education, he go answer that question. Because na that question that way, they call am for big grammar say na fundamental question. Hey, babe na man don't talk grammar. Ekona man don't talk grammar. Na fundamental question. Yes. Who say you go take 20 billion, Mr. Minister, for go use them for take that place, move am for Eto'o hand? Now the question of that. So the day for make mago, una see am no, since we African nation come out for Cameroon. So they got reach tomorrow. They never finish Olembe. Usa money for Olembe day. Usa money for the other infrastructures them they day. Why they no one answer that question? They only find play with small soft thing go pass. With small money one enter day. When they see I say money fit come up for year, they go one time, they enter one time. And when they see and say for years, so if we make a match them, we see the way the thing go the waka, and then they want go Eto'o go make a semi player the begin coming for Bankomo, where we will get money where we pay Hilton Hotel and other one that hotel, then they make our repay, they will get our own small nyari, because they get nyari, they want stop outing so that me the nyari it come out, me stay, na so they are nyari. Now the matter that so the minister, as I tell you now, he don't go for Luanda for Angola, where he did the African Championship for basketball. They take place, they call it Afro Basket. You don't go see Indomitable Lions for basketball. If in a place where small nyari go come out, minister they always be there. Minister they always be for play with small nyari go come out. We know Mouelle Kombi no. If nyari no be for that thing no, you know go Angola. That's why they always Indomitable Lion them. The other one they no care. If na Fekavole, if he come this small because na still angare no, angare when the whole way that small nika we understand the way they think. So if he come there, and then two for Fekavole, you know make some kind of way so na a man day Bello Budan. So he gave a show interest for the team. Now so the team pass with Minister Narcisse Mouelle Kombi. You want King Buru or you don't want King Buru? Narcisse Mouelle Kombi, but we talk for my player, come on say Ibiri Mikiai. That means say man they ask question for no. Ibiri Mikiai, Narcisse Mouelle Kombi, go kabi jiu kab, go kabi jiu kaba Narcisse. Ama biri nigga, Ibiri Mikiai. In the waka. It happened for which place? It happened for that side, for Ndok Pasi. Now what happened for day? The two way happen for them I say Some man they will be the overnag human. Anything a woman want make a top, you don't knock up. A woman want talk something top, you don't knock up. It don't turn the woman up for punching back that bag where they hang up for a sport, a gymnasium them where any man can practice a boxing on top. So the man now he have a crutch, he don't box a woman. Do you what happen? He don't box a woman. Do you what happen? He don't box a woman. Anything a fight, anything a beat woman. As he don't be that woman. So then that woman now he call a brother away, he did for America. He tell a brother say, as you see and so, my man they overbeat me. He did knock me any day don't knock. Try call you tell say me no be giving me. That brother now he don't call that massa. He tell you. The man say he don't hear. Eske hear. It is say na play with that man me tell you. He still knock that woman again. He brought enough for America, a woman complain again. He brought call he brought tell you say, he brought in law he tell you say this so. He tell you say you need to hear which I talk. If you knock my sister again, I go pay flight for America. I can't Cameroon. I can't beat you with my hand. I go beat you, let's mop you my hand. It is in a play. Never talk massa, you come America, you pay ticket America, I can't wait. Never talk massa, never talk, I talk I like this and that. Never talk massa, say hey, you come Cameroon, can beat me. He beat the woman again. Ah, they laugh so now the way they do here, and they laugh that way they do the woman. Yeah. If I begin my guitar now, black steel, oh, lancer, like. Yeah. Black steel, oh, lancer, what that man pay flight from America. He come Cameroon. Yes. He pay flight from America. He come Cameroon for the Douala. He knock that man. He go for the house. He go see for the. He beat them. He beat his brother-in-law. Beat them seriously. He tell you say, I dey wait next time, touch my sister again. If they don't born you well. Touch my sister again, they don't born. Now so quarter, now they shame the man. Ooh, shame. Ooh, shame. Man pikin don't come America. Can Cameroon can beat to pay going back. He tell you say if you want say you want sing Garamanguru Ngwete, touch his sister again. Then you touch him, you just say they play with you. So una be woman beater them. Una look at una figure touch a woman so way he get brother the way they get power, they go pass for una skin like I say, na moto pass for una skin for accident. If you did knock person, no say if they knock you, he go hurt you too. So woman beater them. Una stop for begin beat woman, that kind of fashion. It no fine. Nigeria want talk for una that. Time for Burkina Faso. What happen for Burkina Faso? Ibrahim Traoré, that president for Burkina Faso, he need to play. No joke with he, no dey na for begin joke. He no dey for that joke matter. The woman where they call his name say Carol Flor Smereknyak. Wala na Smereknyak ona nyaka de smack ona Smereknyak. No be na that. He don't take a computer. He make report. Send them for United Nations. All the report now from beginning to the end a lie. A lie about Burkina Faso. What did the woman talk? This Carol Flor Smereknyak. It say for Burkina Faso, I me the suffer pikin, I me the beat pikin them, I me the violate pikin their rights, I me the carry pikin they go for go fight war, a child soldier. Even for Burkina Faso, population not understand. Now we pikin them. Now which pikin where army don't take them for go fight war, they know they see no pikin. Burkina Faso now government it talk say you know go take that shit with the Carol Flor Smereknyak. That means say he be agent waiting for Burkina Faso for bring problem for Burkina Faso. And Burkina Faso na country for respectable men them. People the way they respect their talk. They don't tell you say you be persona non grata for our country. Yes. So Carol Flor Smereknyak. What on that Smereknyak? They don't nyagaye. They don't talk say collect so. Come over the country. They don't want to sit down on nonsense, say United Nations nonsense report. Nonsense like only manipulation, 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 manipulation. Because I want to bring disorder. How order they for Burkina Faso, you don't find them. Ibrahim Traoré is distracting them. It iron them. Una must iron. Una no one stand straight. They go straight to una or una leave Burkina Faso. That's what the thing they. I think say all African countries they will start for the do that kind of thing for all that UN representative where they did make that nonsense imperialism report them. Only for begin make a semi country, it begin go for back. A profit why man them. May they come and get thief, they go. Then who remain for back. It please them. Say Burkina Faso army. It is suffer picking them. It take picking them. Carry and go for war. Child soldier. Say BB picking they don't finish. People then they volunteer themselves say they want to go in and correct amateur people them. They need the height. You can't begin make reports, begin talk nonsense. Ibrahim Traoré. that one he play. You play with you know. You go carry your own. If you try, say you play with Ibrahim Traoré, you go carry your own worker. You know, with that kind of person, they play nonsense. You want play nonsense, now you go play nonsense with you. You understand the thing, no? Yes, that's what the matter.